Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. We're back with a new video. It's awesome that you're tuning in. So in today's video we are going to talk about the Game Boy Advance Color. So it's basically a multi-game card that was made for the Game Boy Color and Advance, I'm guessing. 22 games. I'm very curious if you actually have 22 games. Let's see. Ooh. Okay, we have not Zelda, but Zegda, Oracle of Seasons. Okay, if this Zelda game had Pokemon on it, that would be very cool. I never heard about Pokemon Jade, but okay. What kind of card is this? Okay, wait. So, it's for Game Boy Advance, Game Boy Color, and that is weird. Okay, that is pretty weird. It's a little bit of bummer that it still have this little sticker on. I understand that she left it on because if you remove it, you're going to destroy the box. And that will be a shame. Let's see. Let's grab my Gundam Game Boy Advance for this one. Okay, I'm ready. Let's power it on and let's play some games. Ooh, fancy menu, I like it. Let's see, we're changing colors. Pokemon Jade, okay. I'm pressing select. Pressing select is the next list. 22 games, so there's nothing much on it. Okay, first game. Let's play Pokemon Jade. Oh, okay. Oh, I've seen this game before. Yeah, I've seen this game before. Okay, Zelda. Oh, they spelled it correctly in the here on the Game Boy. Okay, we're in the menu. Widescreen. That's right, 4x3. Nintendo Game Boy Capcom. What? That's actually the game. La 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 la. La 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 la. I'm guessing there is no save file, so that's not possible. Just choose that freaking game. Okay, that's weird. Wait. What's going on? This is a game that I've seen many times. On multi-game cards and the very old ones too. But I didn't play enough to see, no, that didn't work, what I just did. Oh, you need to do it in one go, okay. No, it didn't kill me, it didn't kill me. That's really wrong, it's pulling me back. Oh, I have so big problem now. Oh, that was really lame. Ah, sorry guys, I need to finish the level. I want to try it. I want to try it. Okay, I'm not going to try it. Never mind. Alright, so for the final conclusion regarding this multi-game card, it's pretty awesome that this still has the box. So for the collector, for the multi-card collector, it's pretty cool. That it has the Zelda game, pretty awesome. If you don't know what's wrong with it. So far I know it's basically unplayable. There are no really weird double games on it, so that's also very unique. You don't see this very often. So yeah, that's what you're going to get. Let me know what you think of this, and what I'd really love to know, in your country, do you see these multi-cards, let's say on flea markets or thrift stores? Do you see those multi-cards often, or is this very unique? Let me know. I'd really love to know. Leave it in the comments. But I thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and become one of the Wicked family. more Wicked Gaming. Check the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.